Oh my goodness. Look at how beautiful that is. So I'm in my car. I'm actually in Cedar Park. So they have a lot of deer here. And as you can see my mirror right there. There's one, two, three deer. And then there's Bambi. There's the little baby deer in the background, as you can see, kind of to the left side. They're very friendly over here. I'm so glad I'm getting this video for you guys to see how beautiful these deers are. Oh my goodness. There it is. Hi. Hello. Hello, guys. The other one is kind of went in the bushes towards those trees and bushes back there. But as you can see, I mean, they're super friendly. I mean, they're not afraid. You know, they're so beautiful. I'm glad to show this, to share this video with you guys. And thank you again for watching my videos. See y'all soon.